The weekly code quiz. Why do we not add alternative text to a background image? In general, content is not meant to be conveyed with background images. Their use is for decorative purposes. This is why there is no attribute to add alternative text to a background image. Assistive technology will not announce the presence of a background image nor convey content. So it is best practice to avoid including any information that would be critical to understanding the web page's intent. So if an image has important content, it should be rendered as a traditional image using the image element and not a background image. Are there methods for adding alternative text for a background image? However, there is a workaround for the instances where you may still want to add alternative text for a background image anyway, maybe as a courtesy, as the image is not essential towards discerning the purpose of the page. The method involves adding a role and ARIA label attribute. WAI ARIA is a suite of accessible, rich internet applications developed by the Web Accessibility Initiative to make web content more accessible. The role attribute set to image, IMG, lets the browser know we are dealing with an image, and the ARIA label set to the alternative text desired will tell the browser the content of the image. It is best to set these attributes on an empty span element within a div element, because if there are other elements in the div, they may be obscured by the ARIA label. This is how this would appear. Opening div tag, opening span tag, class equals background image in quotation marks, role equals image IMG in quotation marks, ARIA label equals write your alternative text here in quotation marks. End span, include additional content here, end div. Here is an example. Div opening tag, span, opening tag, class equals background image in quotation mark, role equals image IMG in quotation marks, ARIA label equals a view of a lake with trees in the background and seagrass in the foreground in quotation marks, end span, P opening tag, Lake Thomas, P closing tag, end div. Presented by Designers Learn Code.